Hello guys, me and Jersey may not be making any more slime videos because our slime got thrown away. It was too moldy. There was green all over my pink slime. Even our crunchy slime. I said, did Taylor prank me? Taylor, why'd you put green in my slime? I didn't. It was like when I touched the green, it was like, ugh. It was like sticky. It was like really hard. Like this hairbrush. It was sort of like iceberg slime, but even harder. So, there's no more, but we will be doing Aurora Teagarden Mysteries by Hallmark Mysteries. By Hallmark Movies and Mysteries. Stay tuned. And don't forget about... That's Lynn. And don't forget about Lynn. She's gonna boss you all around. And especially Melanie. Sassy. Sassy girl. Always sloppy. And did you guys know that Bankston works at a bank? Don't you get it? Bye.